Ciao. Today in this video we will see how you can book the TOLC exam. I will also share you how you can give this exam, from where you can do your mock practice, and I will also share the tips that you need to take care while giving this exam. As you know, you can give this exam from your home, so make sure they are very strict in their actions. So while giving the exam, what things you need to take care, and I will tell you, and I will also share you the sources from where you can practice for your exam. There are a lot of type of like TOLC exam, tolc-e, tolc-f, tolc-i, tolc-e. So we will take care of all these type of exam. So I will take you to my screen and I will show you the complete process how you can book the TOLC exam. Then in the second phase I will tell you the things that you need to take care while doing giving the exam from your home. And you know that you can give this exam once in a month, means you can give this exam one time in a month, and before the fees is 30. This time the fees increase. I will also share you the fees, how you can do that. If you are facing problem, I will also tell you like how you can get relief out of it. And the important thing, I will tell you the tips how you can score very good marks. As previous year, like our students score 43 out of 50 marks. So I will share the tips. And you know that this exam you are giving from home, you know, ChatGPT, there are a lot of tools. So I will also share you the tricks and tips that you need to follow while giving the exam from your home, so that you can score very high score. So let's get into the video. Let me take you to my screen and we will see how we can register for TOLC exam, which you will be giving from home. And in the last of the video I will be sharing the tips and tips, as we are giving this exam from our home, from our room, what tips and tips you can follow and you can pass this exam clearly and easily with a minimum time. So, and let me tell you one thing more, that you can give this exam like once in a month. And like in the past year the fee is 30 euro, and this time the fee is 35 euro. I will tell you all the document requirement and what all the procedure that you need to follow while giving the exam at your home. So just we have mentioned like TOLC exam registration, you will get the first link from the CISA or CASA, whatever you can say, CISA website. So we come here on the website, we need to register here. So see, you need to make sure that we have three options here: TOLC registration, booking TOLC uni, booking TOLC home. So make sure if you are in Italy, then you need to book uni, means you are giving this exam at university. If you are at home, then we need to book this home exam. So for all the international student, I request you need to book this exam, otherwise it wouldn't be possible for you to give the exam. So let's click on the book exam. You can see the available dates, we can see the available dates as well. Here we are the dates, and you can select here with the English or which language you want. Let me tell you one thing more: tolc-i exam for all the engineering related courses. We can see the engineering related courses. Now tolc-e is for the courses which are belongs to economics, political science, or like the humanities, commerce related courses. Now coming towards the tolc-f, it totally talks about the pharmacy or the medical background, if you want to take your admission in the paramedical courses. Now talking about like if you want to take specific towards the science, like the physics, quantum physics, something like that, you need to take tolc-s. If you want to take exam related to biology, specific biology like zoology, botany, something you want to pursue, then you can go with the tolc-b exam. About the humanities, you can go with tolc-su, but you can also, like for humanities, you can also go with tolc-e exam. So let's get into the registration part. I need to book for tolc-e, so I'm here. So you can see here like enroll or TOLC registration. We will click here on the TOLC registration. It is asking ki, okay, you need to register here. So I am here. You can accept all the cookies because I think these are mandatory. So let me register for myself. Kulwant Singh Rathod. Okay. So they have mentioned ki, okay, higher education. Select the higher institution of the origin. So I mentioned ki, okay, my higher education is India, or like other. You can select type of other. You need to select other. Okay, then it will mention insert. Okay, so we have inserted here ki my school is foreign school. You can mention your phone number, then you need to say okay, everything is fine. I give the consent. Now choose the photo. So let me choose my photo. Where is Kulwant Smarty? Yeah, here we go. I have put my photo. So they are asking you can, oh no, I think let me zoom in so that we can able to fit our photo. Now I think perfect. Okay, perfect, the photo is perfect. Now we don't have any disability. Now they're asking you, okay, no, no, now sign up. It mentioned that you are not yet registered. They mentioned, okay, this is my password. Now we need to see, okay, everything is fine, because here is the data you need to confirm. So you need to make sure that you need to check each and every detail carefully, then we will confirm. It will say, okay, I need to confirm that I am not a robot. Now it will confirm. Now you can see they mentioned that, so this way you can register your exam, and you will be having your mail ID and credentials over your Gmail. Okay, so I will put tolc exam registration, tolc exam registration. It will take me to CASA website. Now here we go. You can see the available dates or book exam. We need to book the home exam. Available dates. You can see tolc-b. Okay, we need to book tolc-b. Now you can see I will give you this website as well, because I am for opting for economics. You can book for economics, and you can select any exam whatever you want. You can see there are so many exams: tolc-i, tolc-e, tolc-s, tolc-f, tolc-sc, tolc-b, tolc-ab. There are a lot of exams, but make sure you need to select English tolc-e. Make sure you need to select this English tolc-e, English tolc-i, English tolc-f, because people used to make mistake by selecting this tolc. These are normal like Italian language. We need to select tolc-e. Okay, so we are done with this. Now student is asking, okay, I want to give on like Sapienza. So they are saying available seats. I think they have only one seats available. So the student can give exam by 11th of Feb. So we will see. Let's book the seat here only. So book tolc, English tolc e exam. I selected. They say, okay, I say home. Make sure you need to select @ home, because you are giving this exam from home only. Okay, so okay, I will read all the consent. Okay, I accept. Now we need to say, okay, I do accept. Now they are saying you must read. Okay, you need to scroll, then it say, okay, you read. Just you need to scroll it, and it will catch it. Now let's I accept. Download guide. Okay, just you can read it after that. Okay, now continue. So they are saying, okay, my laptop has each and everything. They are talking about the guidelines. Now they are asking the payment mode. So I'm using my credit card. If they say, okay, now you need to select. So yeah, I think our university is like we are selecting for 8th, like for Sapienza. It's Lazio, Lazio, Lazio. Okay, Lazio. Now they are asking the Sapienza. Yeah, Sapienza is the only one which we are opting for. Select the date. So we want to give on 12th of Feb. Student want to give on 11th Feb, because see we like have a lot of students from whom we are booking. I haven't finished the higher education school yet. I completed the high school. I have enrolled in the university. I already got the no. So I have completed the higher school. If you are coming for bachelor's, okay, then they are asking key test country. So we will mention India. Okay, so it doesn't matter like from where you are, you can select your country. Now the fees is €35. I confirm that. Okay, I confirm. Once again check English @ English @ and we selected for home. Now confirm. Okay, pay. Confirm. I don't want to save my card details. Now see, our tolc exam will be booked now. Okay, payment will be done. Yeah, the payment is back to merchant. Session expired. Okay, now we will go and see again to our portal about our bookings. Okay. Okay, Casa. Now we are here. Login. Let me convert it to English first. Now, like we have booked the exam. Now you can see like the MOOCs. MOOCs means like you can done your like your practice, all your exam practice everywhere you can find here. You can see on my screen. You can see the talk about the talk. You can see about the test like that you can give, and about the areas like from where about the syllabus. So they are talking about the syllabus, exercise, and the mock test which you need to give, and make sure you need to give at least 2 mock before like giving the final exam. So make sure you need to give those mock tests as well. Okay, so now student area. So you can see we are in the student area, and we will see about, you can from here you can like give your test. It mentioned that you can go to your test and we will see the test result. Okay, so we don't have any test result. The student has booked the exam. You can see here the student has already like given exam in June as well. Now this time you can see test result, test status, university selection. The exam has been booked for the date 11. Okay, date is 11. The exam has been booked. Now you can see this means test not taken, means here we have not taken the test. We will take the test soon. Okay, you can come on the manage booking. You can find that we have booked this today. So this is all about your CASA. I hope this will help you out in the complete journey. If you need any help in your any assistance in your application in any process, you can contact us, contact FLCS Consultancy. Although like we have a very high success rate, more than our 70 students are already arrived in Italy with 100% scholarship. So waiting for what? And this is a very affordable consultancy which you can choose. So if you like want such more videos, you can follow us on our Instagram. We upload our daily insights about the university, in which the application is open, the applications are closing, scholarships. So you will get the daily update on our Instagram as well as on our YouTube as well. So you can follow them. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe so that it can motivate us and we will provide you more free content that will be helpful for you. So let's meet in the another video. Till then, bye bye, ciao, and take care.